Mr. Gold Duster himself in there hating life.
Spending all my time.
He's trying to figure out why he said yes when I said, hey, why don't we just add this, this, and this? Sounded good at the time, didn't it?
Oh yeah. It always sounds good at the time.
We got stuff in here now, but that looks like a factory trunk. It's a 22-gallon fuel tank conversion.
Mustang.
Yep, 22-gallon Mustang. What is it, 70 Mustang or something like that? I think so. Yeah, fuel tank conversion. So that looks like like I said, we'll do some videos when it's all done and take stuff out and everything. But that looks like, you know, factory stuff. Got the cage in it now, street cage. I did an earlier video. I didn't post it on this channel, but he did a lot of work to tuck that thing up in there. And then these bars come out so we can get into the back seat. So if I'm riding the kids around, let's take that one out. Door bars. I mean, it's has a cage, but it looks like a, I mean, it's totally up and out of the way. Rear seat belts, we added those. All the wiring's going on for the HOLLEY EFI system. And the US shift controller for the 6-speed auto.
Davis profiler.
Oh yeah. Davis Technologies disc profiler. Disc profiler. What's it called? Davis Technologies profiler. Yeah, so it's for traction control. So little street car has a lot of the stuff out of it that was going in my full-time race car that we're not really, well, we're not doing anymore. So we put a lot of that stuff in here. So, you know, it just looks like a old beater. And we'll pop the hood, and I don't know how much horsepower do you think we'll make this time?
It depends on what we decide on how much ultimate ending boost, but
Right.
I mean, well over 800.
Yeah.
Getting busy with it, maybe.
We might ought to start find another block and start building another one.
I mean, sleeve it. Well, it's a Gen 2 box, so they're much
Yeah.
stronger.
Yeah.
We'll, I think we'll be able to make 1,000 turns kill-wise.
Yeah, it should be cool. So, street car, power. No, I don't do power steering. That's I could have, but I don't mess with that. So, anyway, air conditioning and plenty of. So, HOLLEY EFI coils. The bracket came from MotionWorks. It holds the coils. The headers, some people would ask me about those. The headers are Doug's headers, I believe. Yep. They were for a 65 Mustang. So, and I mean, they fit pretty well, actually. So, Coyote for 65 Mustang. The Edelbrock blower. We changed to the 10 rib drive system, and we upgraded the fuel system. We're going to be running E85. Did a little bit of strength building for the transmission, and you know, there you go.